Hey there, I'm Nick Salvatoriello, and I help B2B companies create partnerships, events, and customer marketing programs that actually work. Not just check the box stuff, but real revenue driving, community building, content powered momentum. I've been in partnerships, content, and event trenches for over 15 years, helping brands like HubSpot, Drift, and 2X build ecosystem-led growth programs, high-impact customer communities, and experiences that scale. From running HubSpot's first partner certification program, to shaping Drift's global co-marketing strategy, to leading the partner program at 2X, I've spent my career building powerful networks that build pipeline. And now I'm here to help you do the same.
Let me do my thing. Okay. Thank you for setting this up, Matthew. Let's all give this a shot, because I don't know about you folks. I've been on a lot of webinars, and I always wish we did more of this type of stuff.
This is why we come here, Matt.
It's great.
Stories of friendship, the stories of camaraderie.
You've probably been to a webinar that felt uninspired, or a virtual event that didn't actually build any community. That's because most content is created to deliver information instead of creating an experience with the audience. And the truth is, if you want people to take action, you have to make them feel something. And that's where I come in. I help B2B teams design engaging one-to-many content experiences, from webinars and virtual events, to workshops, to partner programs, online certifications, and customer community meetups. The kind that get people talking, sharing, and ultimately buying. And let's be real, good content is like a great DJ set. You need the right energy, flow, and vibe to keep your audience engaged. It's about creating a moment where people actually want to participate, where they feel part of something bigger. That's what I bring to the table.
Let's take a moment to celebrate, because this platform that Kevin just showed you just launched here, folks, okay?
We're out of makeup.
Give it up.
We try our best to give this meeting the gravitas and the hype that it deserves.
We are going to be doing polls. We are going to be answering your questions. We are going to be interacting and communing with you throughout the webinar. I have a passion for doing this type of thing. Meeting facilitation, community building, making sure it's a great experience, a valuable experience for members of our community like you. I've worked with companies that were stuck, unsure how to turn their audience into a real community, or how to activate partnerships in a way that actually moves the needle. When we worked together, they saw higher event engagement, more pipeline from co-marketing efforts, a stronger, more engaged customer base that advocates for them. If you're looking for someone to help you launch or scale your partner programs, customer marketing efforts, or create next level content that actually builds pipeline, let's talk. Because boring marketing is easy, but unforgettable marketing, that's where the magic happens.